The Small Business Bureau on Friday wrapped up its soap manufacturing workshop for vulnerable groups in Linden. RANETTA brings us this report.
The event, which aimed to develop or improve small businesses in the tongue, attracted approximately 27 young persons who welcomed the initiative.
Well, benefiting from this program is actually a privilege for me as a young man. It has been a challenge and a learning experience for me. I want to say a special thank you to Small Business Bureau for presenting this wonderful idea of soap business in Linden, giving the youths a knowledge on creating their own business.
I want to thank Small Business and Miss Young for bringing this program to us. It's a good one. I would have learned so much from it. Like myself and some of the other ladies, we are happy for this program because we intend to prolong it, right, and go through into business for it.
I've learned a lot since I've been here. Since Monday, I've learned a lot. I never knew making soap was this easy.
The event lasted from June 11 to the 15th. Moderator of the workshop, Melissa Young, said she was pleased and very encouraged with the turnout and enthusiasm for the workshop.
We started with about, I think it was 17 persons on Monday, but we went up to 27, and we have had a pretty consistent turnout. I want to say that I'm very encouraged by the response that the young people have shown. They're very, very energetic. They're very motivated to get into business of, I won't say any form, but they have talent. And I feel as though this is a nice stepping board for them to move on, to either get into their own soap making business or further afield.
The just concluded workshop will also reach Georgetown and Lethem. It is part of the Micro and Small Enterprise Development and Building Alternative Livelihoods for Vulnerable Groups project. RANETTA for InfoHub.